What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Facebook avatar that is fitting to your features. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, guys, go ahead and open Facebook up. And then at the bottom right, select the 3 lines. And then we're going to scroll down and go to See More. And then we're going to go ahead and select Avatars. So now let's wait for it to load. Okay, so now it's going to walk us through the steps of how to create ours. So let's go ahead and get started with this and walk through. Okay, so these are just some of the options that you can post. Okay, so let's start with skin tone. So it's really good, guys, because with the skin tone, it gives you just about every skin tone that there is to select from, so no one will feel left out. So now I'm going to go ahead and choose my skin tone. Let's go ahead and add the hair. Now, I will say that they need more options for the hair because as an African-American woman, I have a lot of hairstyles and none of these actually are portraying the hairstyle that I actually have now. So I'll go with a past hairstyle, guys. Okay, and let's choose the hair color. And yeah, so with the face, I would say my jawline is a little bit more, defined, but here lately with this quarantine, I don't know, guys. So let's just go to the next section. Got a little bit more round chin at the moment. And okay, so let's go ahead and add lines, any lines that I have to my face. I don't really have lines. I would say that my eyes are a little sunken in from, sleep deprivation, but that's about it. So instead of just, boring you guys with all my specifications, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up and walk through all of these, as you guys should as well. Eye shape, color, eyebrows, lets you pick the kind of nose and all that stuff. And then once you finish, it's going to have you pick an outfit. So let's go ahead and pick the outfit. I would actually wear a few different styles on here, but I feel like this one would fit me the most for my personality and how I actually dress in real life. So yeah, I would say this one is probably the best at the moment, because I love me some Chelsea boots, y'all. And yeah, let's see. No head wraps. Let's see. So I'm just bringing this to a close. Yeah, I'm just about done. Okay, so this is your avatar, and I am satisfied, guys. Okay, so they have these little stickers that you can use and tells you how to use your avatars in the comments. And of course, to share it, you would go to the top right and click that share. Okay, it's asking if you're going to share it to your feed. Okay, so let's see how it will look. This is the different options they give you to share it to your feed or to your Facebook page, These are different options. So you can either skip that or just do it. And then below that, of course, it has all the stickers that you can choose from. That was the second option, guys. So that is that, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.
Listen.